You may not know this, but we passed a deadline at the end of September 2025. Microsoft officially retired the old MFA and self-service password reset policies. And everything might look okay for now, but those old policies can really mess things up if you don't take care of them. But you do still have to migrate everything over yourself. So let's make this easy. In the Azure portal, search at the top for Password Reset. This is the legacy SSPR stuff, and you should document all of the settings that you're currently using, so that way we won't miss anything in the migration. Then search for multi-factor authentication and do the same thing. Then go over to Entra ID and scroll down for security on the left, and then go to Authentication Methods. And you just need to click right here to start the migration. And these are just some quick links to get back to MFA and SSPR if you need to. So just click Next. And it is recommended to migrate everything, but you can choose to go into each group and play around with the status and the targets if you need to, or enable any new features you want and assign them here as well. When you're ready, you just click Migrate. You'll get this confirmation and then click Continue. Now, while all that's running, let me show you two sneaky little details that trip up admins. First, security questions are actually not managed in the Authentication Methods policy. They remain, for now, in the legacy SSPR configuration. So if your org is still using them, you need to account for that during your migration, so you can also set the password protection policies with their lockout durations and custom enforcement lists. That way you can block all well-known passwords, and you can even test drive it out with auto mode, which is usually a good idea. Second, you should consider limiting the number of authentication methods. Now, I know we just migrated everything over, and that's okay because we don't want the migration to trip anybody up. But you should go back and review the policies, such as SMS. That's kind of pretty easy to intercept. Same thing with voice calls or emailing one-time passwords. Even authenticators can be victims of phishing attacks, which makes your safest authentication methods Passkeys. And I can help you implement them with this video. And happy learning.